Welcome to the second tutorial of MapInfo Discover, and the second tutorial is the continuation of the first tutorial, which we were talking about georeferencing a raster image. But before you continue, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss my other videos. Make sure that you put some comments and a thumb up. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to georeference a raster image using the points that are known in an image. In this case, I'll show you one of the image which has points which are known, and the image is this one. You see, it has known points. There is point A, point B, point C, point D, and point E. They are known in the fact that I have the coordinates for these points. I'll show you the coordinates for the points. The coordinates for each of those points is this one. You see, you have A, B, C, D, and E. So that is why we say using the image with points that are known. So in this case, I'll just come and open MapInfo. I will open. Let me just minimize this one so that when I open, let's bring it like this. And maybe push it. See, I just want to see both the Excel spreadsheet that contains the known coordinates, and I will also open the image. I'll just navigate to the folder that contains the image, and then what I want to georeference is an image. Therefore, I'll click on file of type, which is a raster image. In this case, the image that has known points is the raster image. I'll open it, and because it's not georeferenced, it will also give you two options: one display and the other one register. In this case, we want to register. I'll go register, and just like the way we did it with tutorial 1, let me zoom a bit. So we have this known point. I will first select the projection that I want to use. The projection that you want to use should be the projection that the coordinates that you have using. So in this case, I'll leave it longitude, latitude, but I'll navigate to WGS 84. So the coordinates, you should know the projection of the coordinates before deciding which projection you are going to use in georeferencing your image. So I'll add the first point. And I'll click on here. You see, in edit control point, I will type the longitudes from here, which is 30.405, and the latitude is -1.095, and then I'll click OK. So that is the first point. Then I'll add the second point, then do the second point is point B, which is 33.933, and then the latitude is -0.966. Then you click OK. Add another point, which is point C. I'll just come and click on C, and then I'll add 39, which is this one, 39.230, and -4.746. I'll click OK. Then I'll come to the fourth point. I'll say add the first point, which is point D. Let's say I'll click on D, and then on D, which is 40.5, which is 40.510, and negative 10.432. I'll click OK. Then I'll come and add the last point, which is point E. I'll say add point E, click on point E, which is 34.672, and negative 11.541, and then you click OK. And after that, I'll click OK. So this is already a georeferenced image, and in order to prove if it is correct georeferenced, you can bring a layer. For example, the layer of country outline that we already have in the folder, and see if it matches this boundary from the Google Earth image. I'll just go and say File, and then Opening, and I'll say Country Outline, and put it in the current mapper. You see it matches Country Outline, and I'll say go Layer Properties. Let me go Layer Properties and modify the boundary so that we make it visible, more visible. I'll just select red and then click OK. You see it almost matches the boundary in the Google Earth image. The thing is, if you have many points, then you become more accurate, but in this case we had only 5 points. But if we had more points, like for example, if we had a point here, point here, point here, point here, then we increase the accuracy. Thank you very much for watching. Don't miss the next tutorial. Subscribe, like it, and press the bell to make sure that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.